Paul's a big undercurtain enthusiast this morning. Holy. And then I'm supposed to take this load in, but a guy's got to do stuff later, so he wants me to pick up his car now. So I gotta get this car now and then deal with that load of scrap, but I also gotta get tires while I'm dropping off that scrap. So I got the tires in the back of the other truck. If you ever need tires and you're in the St. Thomas area, I would highly recommend St. Thomas Tire. Very classy fellas. Very much of the classy fellas down at the St. Thomas Tire. But yeah, I mean, hopefully you don't ever find yourself in shit Thomas, but if you do and you need tires, that's the place to go. Thanks. Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, AAA showed up and got him to get in it and started lowering it without the winch on the back of the truck. And rolled off the back of the flatbed, ran into the trailer, put the trailer in through the garage door. And
Ruined the
yeah, and AAA, it's like, no, it's not our fault. Like, are you f***ing kidding? How do you mean it's you put the f***ing winch on when you're taking something off the flatbed?
He just like dumped it off.
Dumped it right off. So throws in neutral and just let it roll off.
So this is it's not battery for sale.
No.
It's just for showing. I will show you its work.
I should pull my truck in, we'll grease it.
Huh?
I'll pull my truck in, we'll grease it.
Yeah, I grease it for also not for this truck, but I have biggest truck.
Right on.
And I sell it.
Cool, man. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Where can I take a leak?
Oh, there's a Donica right around the corner.
A Donica?
Yeah. I don't know if you can weasel your way through there. See that white van right there?
Yeah.
Right behind there, there's like a shitter.
Thank you.
Yeah. How you doing? Oh, same.
I hear ya. Well, you picked a better day to do it than they say 10 years ago. Have a most wonderful weekend.
You too. Oh, I've received a little bit of the package. Let's go and Dantas. What we shan't we? Not very heavy. It's not very heavy, boys. Oh, what could it be? Used to have a knife around here for opening a little bit of a package. Must have used it for, oh, there it is. Hey, put it away. Huh. Oh, that's why. A blade in it. Idiots. That should open a package just as well. Oh! Oh! Well, look at that. So this is concerning though, because it says the 9 on it. Got a new one of those, a battery. Oh, wait. That's a small little bastard, isn't it? It's pretty bright. I'm seeing spots, so it's a good sign. Could try some, oh yeah, got a little charging cable here too. Yeah, I'm here to pick up the van.
Yeah, we are there at the pump.
You're at the pump?
Yeah.
Which?
Is it you in the black pickup?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are there with the van white car.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Oh, that is camera.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
That's it, right?
Yep. Yep. Thank you. You excited about Inwood? He's not?
Is he excited about what?
Inwood.
Oh, yeah. He's coming to work.
Oh, I apologize.
Fancy.
22s.
So what do you use to jump from here? That's up to my hips, man. You freaking step
You like reach up to and open the door.
Nice new rims. Look at them.
Yeah, I noticed that when he drove in. It's nice, eh?
When they get a little more dirty, it'll match. And
Rust and some chips, yeah.
buddy,